I'm scared to go any further. There's like really beautiful patterns in this water. You can see like these patterns. Oh my gosh, every fucking time something moves in, if I'm making this do this, imagine what these cars are doing. So I think I'm gonna go. I don't think I'm gonna go any further. Whoa. Ew, a fucking mask. Somebody's mask is in the water. This actually pisses me off. Fucking hate people. Over here, I'm really scared. I'm gonna come over here. Over here, the solid ice. Over here, the guy is driving further fucking out, y'all. I really want to record this so much. I think there's some creeps here. I noticed like if I sit somewhere, motherfuckers just like sit around, and then when I leave, they'll leave. I really want to get this man driving out into this lake. Like who would do that? Like you can clearly fucking see, G, this ice is not solid. It's completely melted right there. I'm not going nowhere near there. Somebody's driving out onto the lake right now. And I think they're fucking crazy. Oh my gosh, I think he's fucking melting. Is he melting? Right there, this huge pole. Oh my gosh. So right here, the water is moving. You see, we just made a little rabbit print in the ear. right. So after driving through a storm for approximately 4 hours, okay, which is right here, all the way to a fucking town over there to get something, then came all the way back over here. So the original, and bitch, I'm here. I'm gonna wash my hands. The glass half. Do you want to see? Look at me, look at me, look at me, baby. That's me, the bride to be. I'm the bride to be. That's me, the bride to be. Look at her. 25. Making 25 million. Okay, so let's take you through it. So, gift shop, banquets, like a whole bunch of other shit. This is the restaurant. Oh my gosh, look. I guess this is like some big painting. Really, really cute. I guess they have horseback riding up here. I don't know specific. Oh, okay. I'm here. Oh my gosh, there's a fucking roof pool. There's a fucking roof pool. Are you serious? Alrighty. Supposedly, there's a roof pool. And then there's a lake. Ski. They have a ski resort. Horseback riding. They just got all kinds of shit going on. And there's a spa over here. This is kind of crazy. All right. So let's get in the fall. So there's two. The indoor is over here. So the outdoor is by the picture. Unless it changed. Oh, no. It didn't change. It's right there. But I think I'm going to say it's closed. But it's here. That's the outdoor pool.